This free tutorial will show you how to create a TikTok edit in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, in order to create a TikTok edit, open up Capcut PC, go to the top left hand screen and locate the icon templates. Underneath templates, click the drop down arrow and then go to the For You page. Type in on the search bar Trent space edit and click enter. You want to locate the TikTok edit or the template where it has the social media phone, like so. Click to preview the TikTok edit and click play. So in order to add this, click the plus on the drop down arrow as it adds it on the timeline. The next step is to click here to replace the 17 clips. Each and every clip you want to replace with a photo of your choice. And then once you've loaded on 17 different unique images of your choice, this is what we have. Now, if you want to replace the audio on the TikTok edit, you can click or select and highlight the piece. Go to the top right hand screen and under music volume or video volume, drag this to the right until it's completely silent. And in order to add or create your own TikTok audio, drag one of the TikTok audios that you would like down below. And then go back to the TikTok audio clip and click hide. Now you want to right click your clip and click extract audio. And then delete the video layer clip. Cut for the audio of your choice. Drag it to the left. Increase the volume if you would like by clicking on it and going to the top right hand screen and drag the slider icon to the right. And this is what we have. This is your free TikTok edit, completely for free.